This video is about the significance of quotation marks, double quotes. See the double quotes here? Actually, more importantly, the double quotes here. I remember I had a problem when I was running this script over here. Running the script with arguments. This was the script I had a problem with. When I ran the script and a couple of the arguments that I had were quoted and had two words with a space in between. In this loop, it would echo out each of those two words as if those were separate arguments. And I was wondering, what the heck, Anyways, I found out the way to make it not do that, okay? And that's in this example over here. See, they have double quotes around the expression here. This is the expression which expands to all the elements of the array, and this array contains all the arguments, okay? So, if you don't understand what I'm talking about, try running this script and pass it some arguments and have some of the arguments have two words in them. And of course, you're going to put double quotes when you issue the command. You're going to put double quotes around those arguments that have two words. But you will notice that it echoes out. If you write it this way, it'll echo out each of those two words among all the arguments. Okay, so remember, the solution is double quotes here around the $at. Okay, the dollar. And here, in this example, we're actually, this example doesn't process arguments. It simply processes an array, and the elements of the array have a space in them. Okay, so whenever you have a space in the elements of the array, you need to make sure you put the double quotes here, and that'll take care of the problem with having bash assume that every half of this element is a separate array element. By the way, it's a good idea to use double quotes around variables as often as possible, because there are some commands which will have problems with the space. Okay, and to make sure they don't have a problem, just put a double quote around the variable. Even in this echo statement, it doesn't matter, but if you use it in other ways, it may matter. By the way, this example, the place that I got it was from this Stack Overflow article, Bash Array with Spaces in Elements.